Good day. I'm Kenneth A. Rus, and now we will discuss the five example of police management. And number one is division of work. Division of work, it is the separation of a work process into a number of tasks. For example, this natay chief, and then we have the patrolman, and then niana si chief nga ikaw Juan, dito ka sa barangay Mintal, dito ka mag checkpoint, and then ikaw Tampulana, which is diri ka sa Bangkal. And that is we call the task performed by a separate person or group of a person. And number two is authority and responsibility. Authority is the legal right to give the command, order, or instruction and compel the subordinates to do a certain act, which is authority. For example, ikaw isugo ko nimo na diri ka, then syempre ikaw may kanang what you call that, high strength sa mua, syempre mo follow ko sa imong instruction. And the responsibility naman is it is the outcome of authority, and it entails the obligation of the subordinates. And number three, discipline. Amo ni pinaka-importante sa tuang tanan kung syempre pohon police officer ta. Kinahanglan ginato ang disiplina to, syempre kay daghan nagtawo nga entertain at imanon og pangalagaran. It means sincerity, obedience, respect of authority, and observance of rules and regulations. So syempre kaning discipline mo ni pinaka-importante sa tuang tanan. And then of mutual respect and motivation, it is necessary for an organization to function effectively. And then number four is unity of command. Unity of command, it provides that an employee is responsible to only one supervisor, who in turn responsible to only one supervisor. For example, is barangay captain, na siya yung mga tauhan, buta na to, kagawad, and then si barangay captain, which is mo siya mag-command na kagawad kanang muna imong dapat buhaton sa kaning nga lugar, muna imong project, which is ang gikan na to nga command, which is the barangay captain. So simpre si kagawad, we need to follow the unity of command of a barangay captain. And this and then the last one is scholar chain, and then it is refers of authority is the order of ranks from the highest to the lowest levels. For example, Mr. President, and then syempre siya may pinaka-highest rank sa Pilipinas. And then nagsugo siya kang general, for example katong sa Marawi incident. Syempre naabtan man to unong kabulan ng gira, or maybe tama ba ko, which is nagsugo siya kang general nga we need the atong bombahan ng tanan lugar para ang mga ISIS dali ra mahuman pod ang gira, which defines as an unbroken chain of units from top to bottom, and describing explicitly the flow of authority. And that's all.